Okay, so we're looking at a universal sewing machine. It's a Zig-Zag, which is what this is right there. And there's other settings there as well. We got the reverser and the thread speed, or the thread setting control there. And just set this right about there. There's the thread tension setting. Okay, about there. Just picked out a random scrap of denim here. So we'll sew just the straight stitch first. Actually, I want to do it so the white side is up. It looks, you can see it better that way. Okay, so we're just going to put that in there about like that. And here we go. Very quiet, very easy to use. You could use it for lots of things. Now I'm going to do the reverse. Back up. Go ahead. And then we're going to switch it to zigzag. Change it to the speed setting, the thread control settings here. Let's do the blind stitch before we get to the end here. Oops, I guess we gotta straight stitch. And that everything works on it. It's just nothing wrong with it at all. I need new scissors. So there it is. Let's see how much it can sew. Now we're gonna fold this up, give it a few layers here. There, and there's also a seam in there too. I don't know what, right there, see it? So we're going to go right through that. It's an all metal machine and there's no plastic parts, and these things go through anything. Okay, we don't need the blind stitch on. Turn that up a little bit. Uh-oh. What happened? Something's not working right. Maybe it is. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's fine. Alright. We're just going to turn it and go every which way here. Let's do all that fabric there, and this is just, like I said, denim. And then we're going to zigzag, and then slow it down a little bit. Okay. There it is. Just sews right through it. Doesn't even act like it's more than 2 layers. Let's even give it another challenge and double it up again. Let's see if it'll do it. Oh, no, we're going to get it in there. Uh-oh. Sew through your hand if you let it. There it is, all sewn up. I don't know if you can see that or not. I just sewed that right up in there with it. It's, I don't know, probably 10 layers here. I don't even know. I'll sew through anything.